Here's how to enable Face ID for Microsoft Authenticator to secure access to your Authenticator codes. Open the Authenticator app and tap the hamburger menu icon in the top left corner. Next, tap Settings and turn on the App Lock toggle under the Security section. Make sure Face ID is already set up and enabled in your iPhone settings. Once enabled, the app will require Face ID or your screen lock when you open the app, approve a notification, or use autofill on websites and apps. To lock and use the system's Face ID, try this method. Touch and hold on the app icon to see Require Face ID. Again, tap on the Require Face ID option and authenticate with your Face ID. Now, the app requires Face ID whenever you open the app. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.